Hi guys, so I am cutting a third video tutorial for you on how to browse Gale's Opposing Viewpoints database. What I love about Gale's Opposing Viewpoints database is that it is a great database in order to get either the pros and cons of a particular issue. It's also a great database to utilize if you haven't really decided on a topic for an argumentative persuasive essay. So let's go back to that box labeled Databases for Argumentative Persuasive Essays, and we're going to click on the third link here titled Opposing Viewpoints. And we're going to come to the interface for Gale's Opposing Viewpoints, okay? Again, this is a great database to utilize because it breaks down a number of leading issues, topics that are up for debate, and it presents either for or against, or the pros or cons of that particular issue or topic. Towards the center of the interface, they always have a scrolling menu where they have the leading topics of interest that may be of interest to the users of this database. And right now they're looking at daylight savings time, along with consumer boycotts and military recruitment. I think these three leading topics are really up for debate right now because we just had daylight savings time take place in March, mid-March, and then we do have the war in the Ukraine, and they're looking at consumer boycotts. Should or shouldn't we be doing that, particularly given that we're trying to find ways of impacting Russia to try to end this war conflict sooner, as well as military recruitment, because we have an ongoing war. There might be people concerned about will we, maybe in this country or in other countries, will they actually start doing as they did during the Vietnam War and actually having to start to recruit people to join the military or even have a military draft. So there is that. So just letting you know, usually they feature leading issues or topics. Below the featured issues of interest or topics, they do a wonderful job of breaking down into categories for users. Here, topics related to business and economics, as well as health and medicine, all the way through war and diplomacy. But I always tell students that the best thing for one to do to get a sense of all of the issues and topics that are discussed in this database, they want to click on Browse All. Okay, when you click on Browse All, it will then provide you with the alphabetized listing of all of the topics and issues that they examine in this particular database, ranging from the 9/11 attacks through all the way through zoos and aquariums, okay, at the bottom here. So just note that there's a lot covered in this database. So for the sake of today's demo, I'm going to actually look at athletes and sports, okay? Athletes and sports is pretty broad, okay, because we could be looking at athletes in compensation, athletes in social media, athletes in advertisements, and the list goes on and on. So it really won't provide us necessarily a more focused examination of an issue right off bat dealing with athletes in sports, but we can, and I'm going to show you how you can search within one of these topics here to find maybe some information related to your particular topic that you are going to be arguing for or against or making a stance or claim about. So let's click on athletes in sports. Okay, I'm going to highlight that for you here in the alphabetized listing. That's where we're clicking, and then I'm clicking on it now, and then it's going to bring us to the interface for athletes in sports, okay? The first thing that I want to point out to you is that it does a great job of providing an overview of the topic, okay? Followed then by, on this page, a breakdown of the type of resources that one will find available on athletes in sports, ranging from academic journal articles, okay, listed first here for us, all the way through statistics and even websites. And we talked about them yesterday that some databases even provide you with credible websites that you can also utilize in your paper. But what you want to focus in on when you are examining a topic is their featured viewpoint essays, okay? And in this case, they have 12. Okay, as it relates to athletes and sports. So I'm going to actually stop this video here, and I'm going to then cut another video showing you how to search within this database to find what you need. Okay.